Alright, let's dive into something that's been buzzing in the food world lately: why chefs are obsessed with certain Italian staples from Wegmans. But here's the thing, this isn't just about grocery shopping. It's about understanding what makes a pantry truly chef-worthy. And personally, I think what makes this really interesting is how Wegmans, a regional grocery store, has managed to become a go-to for pros. So, let's break it down. First up, the star of the show, Wegmans Italian Classics olive oil. Now, olive oil is one of those ingredients that can make or break a dish. What many people don't realize is that the quality of olive oil can vary wildly, and chefs are hyper-aware of this. Wegmans' private label olive oil, specifically the Italian Classics line, keeps getting called out by chefs for its consistency and versatility. Kylie Engling, an executive chef at Wegmans, mentions its mild flavor with fruity overtones and a peppery finish. That's a big deal because it means this oil can play multiple roles in sauces, vinaigrettes, or as a finishing touch. If you take a step back and think about it, this is exactly what home cooks struggle with: finding an olive oil that's reliable enough to use in everything. And here's where Wegmans shines: they've managed to create a product that's both high quality and accessible. But what's even more fascinating is the broader trend this points to. Wegmans is headquartered in Rochester, New York, which has a massive Italian-American population. This isn't a coincidence. The store has had to step up its Italian game to cater to this demographic, and it's paid off. Chefs like Steven Ingber, who's based in Denver, still swear by their organic olive oil. This raises a deeper question: how much does local culture influence what grocery stores prioritize? It's not just about stocking products, it's about understanding the community you're serving. Now, let's talk pasta. Bronze-cut pasta is one of those details that most people overlook, but chefs like Peter Bradley from Wegmans' Crofton store call it out specifically. Why? Because the rough texture of bronze-cut pasta grips sauce better. It's a small detail, but it's the kind of thing that elevates a dish from good to great. Personally, I think this is where Wegmans is really smart: they're not just selling pasta, they're selling an experience. And that's something home cooks can learn from. If you're making pasta at home, the type of pasta you choose matters more than you think. Another standout is Parmigiano Reggiano. Chefs like Kylie Engling treat it like gold, using even the rinds in soups and stocks. This is a perfect example of how chefs maximize ingredients, and it's something we can all take notes on. In my opinion, this is where the line between professional and home cooking blurs. It's not about having fancy tools, it's about understanding how to use what you have to its fullest potential. And then there's the Jared sauces. Now, I know what you're thinking: Jared sauces? But hear me out. Jessica Formicola, a chef and cookbook author, swears by Wegmans' Jared sauces because they're convenient without sacrificing quality. This is a huge deal for busy people who still want to eat well. It's a reminder that not everything has to be made from scratch to be delicious. What this really suggests is that convenience and quality don't have to be mutually exclusive, and that's a lesson more brands should take to heart. Finally, let's talk about San Marzano tomatoes. Anthony Turano, an executive chef at Wegmans, says they remind him of the tomatoes his family used to import from Italy. This is where things get personal. Food is tied to memory, and when a product can evoke that kind of nostalgia, it's special. From my perspective, this is what sets Wegmans apart: they're not just selling ingredients, they're selling a connection to culture and tradition. So, what's the takeaway here? Wegmans has cracked the code on Italian staples by focusing on quality, versatility, and community. But more importantly, this whole conversation highlights something bigger: the ingredients you choose matter, and understanding why chefs love certain products can elevate your own cooking. Personally, I think the next time you're at the grocery store, take a moment to think about what you're buying. Is it just an ingredient, or is it something that could transform your dish? That's the real question. And if you've got thoughts on this, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think makes a pantry chef worthy.